Good morning. Today is January 30th, 2018. May I have your attention, please? Today is Madison G., Hamza K., Timmy M., and Caden W.'s birthday. Happy birthday, Madison, Hamza, Timmy, and Caden. Later today, please go to the main office. Here's the Golden Heart announcement of the day, submitted by Caitlin. Aaron showed his Golden Heart when he put away some class supplies without being asked. Thank you, Aaron, for your Golden Heart. Please quietly stand and look at the flag for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing.
You may be seated crisscross without talking, please. Today we celebrate the caring pillar of character. Students who are caring show their golden hearts. We work hard to show the pillars of character each day at school. Several students were nominated by their classes to be represented here today for the caring pillar of character. Let's find out what it is that they have done to show exceptional caring at Slackwood School.
Derek Garzon Aparicio and Sierra Del Cid. Derek and Sierra always find friends who are feeling sad. Sierra and Derek use nice talk to others in the classroom and during outside playtime. Derek and Sierra will reach out to help others when they are done with their work. Thank you, Sierra and Derek. Urfa Ferdos. Urfa helps her classmates tie their shoes. She pushes in the chairs in the classroom that were not pushed in by other students. Urfa puts away items in the classroom that were left out on the tables. Thank you, Urfa. Ariana Mogravejo. Ariana helps other students zip their coats. She held her friend's hand to get on their bus. Ariana speaks kindly to others. Thank you, Ariana. Lawrence Nallo. Lawrence notices when friends are sad and tries to cheer them up. He helps friends when they are having a hard time, like helping someone tie their shoes. Lawrence shows that he cares when he greets friends or teachers every day. Thank you, Lawrence. Alex Sudol, Soraya Moore, and Pamela Santiago Zargueta. Alex, Soraya, and Pamela care about their classmates. They take turns when playing games, listen to others when they are speaking, and help make the classroom a place where everyone can learn. Soraya, Pamela, and Alex care about their learning. They always try their hardest in class. They complete their homework and return it on time. Pamela, Soraya, and Alex show empathy. They try to understand other people's feelings and help others try to do the same. Thank you, Pamela, Soraya, and Alex. Kasper Zachewski and Madison Skarupa. Kasper and Madison always use their kind words and actions when helping someone. They are always sharing their classroom supplies. Madison and Casper always listen to what others have to say. Thank you, Madison and Casper. Natalia Zashevsky. Whenever someone needs help or cheering up, Natalia is the first one to give a comforting word or help solve the problem. Natalia is a friend to everyone and has helped establish the Friendship Club for all to be members. She is a kind and caring student to all, not just friends, because everyone is Natalia's friend. Thank you, Natalia. John Pablo Terracena and Gabrielle Ang. John Pablo and Gabby are always smiling and are friendly to their classmates. They use kind words when talking to people and always show good manners. Gabby and John Pablo do thoughtful things for others, asking people to play or helping them begin their work. Thank you, Gabrielle and John Pablo. Dylan Gonzalez Ramirez and Caden Henning. Dylan and Caden always use kind words like excuse me and thank you. They are very helpful and patient. Caden and Dylan have golden hearts. They are friendly to everyone. Thank you, Caden and Dylan. Jeremiah Wolgemuth and Addison Hoshuk. Jeremiah is caring when he helps his friends when they are hurt. He will go above and beyond to help someone in need. Addison is caring when she helps others in our classroom and on the playground. Jeremiah and Addison are caring in our class. They help others follow the rules and help take care of our classroom. Thank you, Addison and Jeremiah. Mason Roldan and Bailey Schaefer. Mason's classmates notice that he lets people play with him, helps others with projects, and notices if someone is alone and goes to talk with that person. Bailey's classmates notice that she helps if someone is hurt, shows compassion when someone feels sad, and treats others kindly on the bus. Thank you, Bailey and Mason. Sean Rawls and Dulce Limas Davila. Sean and Dulce show they are caring when they follow the golden rule. They treat people respectfully and only use kind words to other people. Dulce and Sean always try their best and are ready to learn new things. Thank you, Dulce and Sean.
When we learn about the caring pillar of character, we learn that it's not only children who show caring toward others. Grown-ups do too. And today we're going to hear about a very special grown-up who has shown caring beyond what we might normally expect. I'm going to ask Ms. Tangen to please come forward to present this honor.
Here at Slackwood School, we know that caring means that you have a golden heart. Let me introduce you to a staff person who is very special. She went to Slackwood School as a little girl. She has a golden heart, and she has a very, very friendly smile. Miss Sue Anderson is our preschool bus assistant, and she is very caring. Miss Sue demonstrates her caring ways each and every day on our preschool bus routes. Miss Sue cares about safety. She helps the children to their seats and fasten their seatbelts and their car seats. Miss Sue also calls each parent along the bus route, so families don't have to wait outside when it's cold. They only go outside when the bus is coming. Miss Sue also cares about preschool attention spans. Sometimes the bus comes to Slackwood before Mr. Billy opens the school doors. When this happens, Miss Sue gives the preschoolers coloring books, crayons, and stickers to keep them happy and busy. Miss Sue cares about field trips. She reminds each parent and checks each student to see if they have a warm coat, hat, gloves, and proper shoes for outdoor field trips. She even checks the backpacks. She makes sure that everyone brought a sack lunch. If a child is missing a lunch, she lets us know right away so we can get a lunch ordered. Miss Sue cares about health. She always carries tissues and she knows how to help wipe noses. But she also lets the preschool staff know if a child is going to leave early for a doctor's appointment or if a child got on the bus cranky or out of sorts. Miss Sue cares about holidays. She confirms students' birthdays and holds a special birthday bus celebration. She also helps the bus student decorate cards and notes for others, and she has special little gifts to celebrate the holiday seasons. Miss Sue cares about communicating. She shares her phone number with all the preschool bus families so they can call her if they're sick and they will not need a pickup in the morning. She is also on our preschool reminder app, so she gets all the messages that we send to our families. She helps remind the students to bring back their library books, to check for sneakers for gym, and she even reminds the students to bring their umbrellas on rainy days for our rain walks. She even emails me if something came up at night that I need to know about before the next school day. Miss Sue's job is to be the preschool bus assistant, but as you can see, she's much more than that. She cares about her job. She cares about her students and their families. She cares about this school and the staff. We are very fortunate to have her golden heart in our preschool family. Thank you.
Isn't it wonderful to know that even when they grow up from Slackwood, we have wonderful people who went to Slackwood School and then continue to show their golden hearts, even as they grow up and take care of others. We are going to sing a song today, so let's get ready. We have a special guest with us today from the high school who is going to present some special awards to some of our students.
Good morning, guys. I'm Yasmin, and I'm from the high school. And a few months ago, we ran a contest here at the school. I don't know if any of you remember, but it was called the Financial Literacy Poster Contest. And a bunch of you submitted some awesome drawings to me, and so I took the time to go through them, and we selected a few winners. So in first place, we have Alexander Nikolov. And a runner-up is Damaris Gonzalez. And our last runner-up is Kushi Kumari. All these students demonstrated financial literacy awareness as well as compassion. And one thing that I wanted to point out, as I see that this is your caring assembly, that all the students really did submit works of art and descriptions that not only they thought of themselves in it, but they also thought of others. A lot of students decided that with their money they would donate it, help out homeless. So I really thought that was something to point out, and a big round of applause to all of you students here at Slackwood, because I really can tell you're all caring.
It is time for our Golden Heart drawing and Emily Eagle.
All right, which first? Okay, as you know, each month we do a little Golden Heart drawing. Teachers, staff members submit a golden ticket for somebody who does something a little special. So this month's winner is Mason Roldan from Miss Middleton's room. I think he's right here. Okay, Mrs. Fletcher put him in. Your class will get an ice cream or a pizza party, whatever you choose. Congratulations.
Our Emily Eagle Award winner this month for great hallway behavior with 10 Emily Eagle tickets this month is Mrs. Tangent's pre-K class.
Once again, boys and girls, first of all, I want to thank Mrs. Seaman and Miss, excuse me, I want to thank Mrs. Seaman and all the people that came. This is another amazing assembly, but mostly I want to thank you caring kids. I love having these assemblies and seeing the smiles on your faces each morning, so great job. Great job, everybody. Slowly, we'll start with pre-K and kindergarten. Head back to class. Let's get the day started.